Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Apple ID settings on your iPhone display notifications. So friends, without wasting time, let's start the video. As well as you can see Apple ID suggestions on your iPhone's display, just tap on this notification. Now you can see they can show you two issues. First, iPhone not backed up, and the second one, update Apple ID settings. Tap on backup now. You can see iPhone starting the backing up now. Now go back and hit the Apple ID settings. Tap the continue. Here you must enter the Apple ID password and tap sign in. It will take some wait for a few seconds. Now enter your iPhone passcode. Tap OK. That's it. Hope this video helped. If the video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon. Thanks for watching my video.